Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by signing into both accounts on one computer. That establishes trust. Enable Steam Guard. This protects licenses and is required. Once done, open Steam Settings, go to Family, and check Authorize Library Sharing on this PC for the lender account. Make sure the borrower account is signed in afterward so Steam can register it. This immediate authorization step gives the borrower visible shared titles and prevents later access errors when you move on to now configure who actually gets access and why. On the lender account, in Family Settings, check the boxes beside each authorized borrower. Once done, verify parental controls. If they are active, you'll need to permit individual titles explicitly. Do that now to avoid blocked games later. After adjusting permissions, close Steam and restart it on both accounts so the client refreshes access tokens. This step ensures games appear in the borrower's library and prevents simultaneous play conflicts by updating sessions. Finish by having the borrower locate the shared game in their library and click Install. Download proceeds like any owned title. Keep in mind, only one person can play a shared game at a time. If you see a Family Library Currently in Use message, the lender needs to quit the game. If access fails entirely, reauthorize the computer under the lender's family settings, confirm Steam Guard is active, and restart both Steam clients. That usually clears authorization or syncing issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.